Let's use our screwdriver to remove these screws. With our pentalobe screws removed on either side of the lightning port, we want to use a suction cup down near the bottom of our home button. Now, when pulling back our touchscreen from the base of the phone, let's be very careful and not pull it too far away from the base, as there is a ribbon cable on the other side of the touchscreen for the home button that we do not want to cause damage to. With our 5S opened up just enough to reveal the plug for our home button connector, let's reach in with our spudger and go ahead and separate that plug from its connector. Peeling back our 5S touchscreen completely is going to reveal a metal cover over the connections for our touchscreen, similar to the iPhone 5. Let's remove the 4 Phillips screws for the metal cover so we can access the touchscreen connections. And with our metal cover removed, we can now use a spudger or like tool to go ahead and separate our connections and free up the touchscreen for removal from the iPhone.